Hey guys, it's Ashley. So you guys probably thought that I literally fell off the face of the earth. I didn't. You wish. It's been like over a week since I uploaded and I honestly feel so bad. Don't think that I haven't been trying to upload. I filmed like 3 or 4 videos. I did not like how any of them turned out. My computer ran out of storage, so when I went to edit, it wouldn't let me. It's been a struggle, but I promise you guys I've been trying to upload. It's not that I'm lazy and I don't want to. I really do. It's been really frustrating. Nothing's been working out, so I apologize. But anyway, today's video is going to be a full face using drugstore makeup. This video is not a challenge at all because I always use drugstore makeup anyway, and I love all these products that I'm using, so this is actually like just me doing my everyday makeup. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So starting out with primer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild face primer. It's called the Photo Focus primer, so I assume it goes with the foundation that I have. I love, but I just got this like a week or 2 ago and I've been using it every day since. It's a pretty good primer. I don't really know what to say about primers since I can't really tell the difference between them honestly, but I think it's a pretty good primer for the price. Okay, so now my face is primed and I really don't know what to say about the primer. I just don't know what to say about primers. But now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Pro Infallible Matte Foundation. This foundation is so good. I know it's a little bit on the pricier end for drugstore foundation for sure, but I think it's definitely worth it because it makes your skin look so flawless. Like I use this when I'm going out, like if I want my skin to look really smooth and nice. It's just a really, really good foundation. And I'm in the shade 101 Classic Ivory, which is probably the lightest shade, but I don't know. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend it in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. The foundation is now done and I love how it looks. I didn't even put that much. My skin still looks like so smooth. I don't know, that foundation just works wonders. But now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I know that you guys have seen this in so many videos because this is literally like the only concealer I have, but it is pretty good. Like I repurchased it, so you know it's good if I repurchased it, I guess. Not that it's like the Jeffree Star stamp of approval or whatever it's called, but like if I repurchased it, then that means that I like it at least. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is in the shade 15 Fair, I think it's called. I literally can't even see because the packaging is so dirty on mine. Like I can't keep makeup clean, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, now it's time to set my face with powder, and I love the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I also have the pressed one, but I think I like the loose one better actually. I don't know if there's a shade in this or not. Yes, there is. It's 05 Fair. I'm pretty sure everything that I use is in Fair or Porcelain, so just figure that. But I'm just going to go ahead and set my entire face with this powder. So I obviously just set my face with that powder. I love it so much. The combination of the concealer, the foundation, and that powder literally makes your skin look so good. Except for the fact that I'm like kind of breaking out right now. Just like pretend like I'm not, and then your skin just looks so smooth and flawless. But now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contour palette. This is the lighter one. I think it's called like Dulce de Leche or whatever that word is. I can never pronounce it, you know, for my makeup collection. I have a lot of trouble saying that word, or words. Is it 2 words? 3 words. Dulce de Leche. It's like 3 words. Why am I talking about it? Anyway, I'm going to use the contour side out of this palette. I usually set my face with this powder, but I wanted to have like a separate setting powder for you guys, and also I wanted to use that powder. It's so good. But I'm just going to use the contour side out of this. Okay, now that is done, and I don't really contour that much. Like I just kind of like dust it over my faces. I'm gonna go with bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I know this is kind of expensive. No, it's definitely expensive for not only the drugstore, but kind of just in general. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. It's like, it smells so tropical, and then it looks like you came out of Hawaii after you put this on. Like you just look so like naturally tan. I just love it. Okay, so I just dusted a little bit of that bronzer on top of the contour, and I think it looks pretty nice together. I like how they both look. I don't put too much of either because I have very, very light skin. But now I'm going to go in with blush, and the only drugstore blush that I have apparently is this e.l.f. blush. If you remember this from the shopping haul that I did with my best friend Mariah, thank you. You've been watching my videos for a while now, and that means a lot to me, so thank you. But this is the only drugstore blush that I have, which is surprising. I guess I don't really buy blush that much. I either get it in an Ipsy or a Birchbox or a BoxyCharm, and then that's it. I really don't buy it. But this is in the shade Blushing. This looks like this. It's very, very bright, and it has like green glitters. It has like these colorful glitters in it. So that should be interesting, but I don't apply that much blush anyway, so I think it'll be fine. Okay, so I just put the blush on, and the color's not that bad. Like, it blends out a lot more differently than you would think. It's not too bright. But if I turn a certain way, or like the light hits me a certain way, I feel like you can see those colorful glitters. And I'm not sure if I'm quite about that. I mean, it's kind of a fun blush, and I'm glad that I have it in case I need a fun blush like this. But I'm not sure if it's something that I would wear every day. And I can see right now in the camera, it's not showing up on camera. But in real life, in person, you can see the colorful glitters on my face. And now for my favorite part of makeup, the highlighter. I'm going to use Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. This one's a super popular shade. It kind of almost looks like the Becca Champagne Pop to me. Maybe it's just me. It's like a pretty rose gold color, which I'm obsessed with. It is too dark for me, but like I'm going to use it anyway because it's gorgeous, so yeah. Okay, so the highlighter is on. I can't see it like where I'm sitting because the sun's not really hitting me, but if you can see it on camera, that's what it looks like. I will just start priming my eyes before I told you what I'm using. I'm using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. Again, like primers, I don't really know what to say about it. It just primes your eyes. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Maybelline City Mini palette. This is the Matte About Town. Why can't I say that name? These are all the colors. They're all kind of similar, but like they work. You know what I mean? But I'm going to take this white shade right here, and I'm just going to set the eyeshadow base. It's so pigmented. Are you seeing this right now? You have to be seeing that right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shade, and I guess I'm going to kind of use it as my transition shade almost. Wow, I am so good at talking. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade, and I'm just going to kind of put it in my crease to darken up the look. Now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that on like my outer corner and kind of blend it in, you know what I mean, to add more depth. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is take this shade right here. It's kind of like a cream shade, and I'm going to kind of use that to do like a half cut crease instead of concealer. I'm not sure if that makes sense or not. That's just how I do it. So I actually lost the footage of me putting on my mascara, of course, but I used the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I love this mascara so much. It's so good for the price. It's literally like $3 or $5. I don't know which one. I got mine for $3 at Forever 21, but like it's such a good mascara. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use the Kokie Kissable Lips liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mad About Mauve. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag, and I thought it was going to be too dark, but I think it will actually go with this look pretty nice. 20 years later, the lipstick is finally applied, and this is the entire look. I really like how it turned out, especially since it's all drugstore. Like, this just goes to show that you don't need high-end makeup. Like, drugstore makeup is actually really good. Let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see next. It would really help me out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh yeah, thank you so much again. Wow, I keep saying thank you for 300 subscribers. We're almost at 400 now. But yeah, make sure you subscribe down below if you're not already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.